Julius Caesar is a history, play and tragedy which was first performed in the year 1599. So a passage will be given to you. You have to go through that carefully, or you have to read that carefully. Then you will be having your semester examination for 80 marks. In that, you have to attempt only 4 annotations. Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Reena, lecturer, Department of English at Vidhyaashram College, MYSURU. Today in this introduction session, let us discuss about the syllabus prescribed by the University of MYSURU for the 4th SEM B.C.A students. In this SEM, you are going to read a play named Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare. Whenever you read a play, you should consider some context and you have to go through that. And the context are as follows: the time or the period in which the play was written, then the biography of the play, the language of the play, then settings, plot, themes, character and their relationship. Coming to Julius Caesar, Julius Caesar is a full-length play written by William Shakespeare. The play unlocks the complex emotions and breathtaking actions. So when you read this play, you experience the effect of dialogue, the brilliance of imagery, and the magnificence of poetry. Julius Caesar is a history, play and tragedy which was first performed in the year 1599. Jealous conspirators convinced Julius Caesar's friend Brutus to join them in their assassination plot against Caesar. So, according to the conspiracy, Brutus and the conspirators killed Caesar. So, the conspirators thought that if we kill Caesar, they can rule the kingdom. But Mark Antony, he drives the conspirator away from Rome. Mark Antony drives the conspirators away from Rome and fight them in the battle. Next is language component. Language component emphasizes on the transactional aspects of English language, both in spoken and written form. Under language component, you will learn identification of adjectives, job application letter with CV, correction of sentences. So in this you learn to use proper verbs, you will learn where to use articles, and you will learn about prepositions, adjectives, adverbs and redundancy. And also you will learn direct and indirect speech. So, and at last you will be having reading comprehension of an unseen passage. So a passage will be given to you. You have to go through that carefully, or you have to read that carefully, and you have to attempt the questions given below. So this is about the language component. Now, let us look into the examination pattern. So in this semester, you will be having C1, C2 and C3. In C1, you have to attempt a test or assignment which carries 10 marks. Then again in C2, it is assignment and test that also carries 10 marks. Then you will be having your semester examination for 80 marks. So total in this semester, examinations will be for 100 marks. So now let's look into the question paper pattern. So in section A, 15 questions will be given to you from the play to be answered in word, phrase or sentence. Out of 15, you have to answer 10 questions. Again, in the next section or next main, they will be asking 8 annotations from the play. In that, you have to attempt only 4 annotations and it carries 20 marks. And in the next section, you will be having essay type questions and there will be 5 questions from the play and you have to attempt 3 questions. So here this carries 30 marks. Next is from the language component. So that is the grammar part and you have to answer 5 questions which carries 4 marks and it is for 20 marks. Hope you got an idea about your syllabus. Thank you.